Greetings! It's Dr. Ned Sahin, founder and CEO of BrainPower, which includes the BrainPower Academy that sponsored the Executive Functioning Symposium you attended this weekend. I'm here for two reasons. First of all, to thank you for attending, and secondly, to give you an opportunity and encourage you to bring the Executive Functioning session to your entire district. So first of all, thank you. Thank you for attending the 2 days, and really, thank you for really showing up. I think we all know that these days there are a lot of webinars, and of course, after a year or more of teaching online or in hybrid fashion, sometimes people physically show up, but they don't really show up. And we've been very blessed at BrainPower. Generally speaking, we get amazing engagement, but I'd say that this weekend's session was one of the very best. So thank you, and you should feel great. There was really a lot of interaction across all the different districts that were represented in terms of the chat, in the Zoom session, as well as in the Padlet, and the praise we got privately as well as in the comments to everyone was really glowing and really just wonderful and heartwarming. And we're always intending to continually improve what we bring to others, and this was a great feedback. We really look forward to our next sessions, and that brings me to my point here, is that we're happy to do this all over again for your whole district. Most of you actually signed up individually, so you're the only one representing your district, and you could be the one to go to them and tell them this was something enjoyable, thoughtful, and from which you learned. I'm just saying what was said in the comments, and we will do it again for you, possibly on one of your PD days or in a special session. And we find that districts really like this sort of thing, and this topic, of course, is very top of mind for many district administrators, and we're willing to do that. So please, we'll have a form down below. You can sign up, just show your interest, and we'll follow up from there and try to get something scheduled. You'll be the one who brought it to the district. If you want to take it again, of course, it'll be free for you, and you'll be bringing your district a great discount. So that would be great, and it helps us too, because we're trying to get the word out as broadly as possible. We want to help and assist as many students as possible, and that starts with you on the front lines, the teachers. So please, just fill out the form down below. It'll take a second. Thank you so much. And as always, as we say at BrainPower, stay empowered. Thank you.